Here's a classic scenario of Paulownia wanting to live. Here you see is a wood pile. We did some tree trimming. We threw away some roots that we thought weren't viable. And guess what happens to your wood pile if you think Paulownia is not viable? It surprises you. Every single time, Paulownia just wants to live. Paulownia just wants to survive. So if you count, we probably got 6 or 7 trees in the Paulownia pile, in the wood pile growing. And I've done absolutely, positively nothing to inspire them to grow. So again, Paulownia just wants to live. Here's the testament and proof. Even in the wood pile, you have new sprouts that I did nothing other than put them in a pile. I didn't bury them in dirt, but nature found a way.